So we got one of the top rankers of ours, Mr. Anuj Apte. Anuj won bronze medal in Asian Physics Olympiad when he was in 11th standard. When he was in 10th, 12th standard, he won gold medal in Asian Physics Olympiad again. And lastly, he won the silver medal in International Physics Olympiad. So he won 3 medals for India. He was ICAD's JEE advanced student. तो आईकैड का तो एक एक्सपेक्टेशन था ही कि भैया 5 साल से पढ़ गया है तो जेई एडवांस का भी तो रैंक आया. तो at his time he was among the top 5 students of India as far as the physics is concerned. केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स में ज्यादा ध्यान दिया नहीं. आखिरी में मुझे इंसिस्ट करना पड़ा, बॉस nobody over here in our region knows about Olympiads. तुम तो इतने बड़े झंडे गाड़ते जो आज तक नहीं गाड़ पाया कोई. But they know about JEE Advanced or IIT JEE at that time. So, बस रैंक पहले 100 में तो लेके आया तो यू कैन गेट द रैंक इन टॉप 10, आई नो, बट seeing your passion for physics, I know that the rest of the 2 subjects are getting compromised. Just for the sake of ICAD, he studied chemistry and mathematics also. और जिस दिन उसका जेई एडवांस का पेपर हुआ, पेपर होने के बाद उसका फोन आता है, सर टॉप 100 में आ जाऊंगा. So that the best gift from him to us, that he got the All India rank 79. Though I know that he could have been in the top 10, but he is doing wonderfully well in the physics field of his. Later on, he got the admission in ISC Bangalore, and then in the second year, he shifted to MIT, United States of America. So that's the interesting incidents to share. So I wish Anuj all the best for his future endeavors. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.